everyone. As we are again quarantined and we are all stick to home, and we are all doing birthday parties at home. So today I have come up with a new device for balloons, okay, because you will need this if you are going to have a birthday party at home. So this is the one. Yes. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to explain you how to use this device today. Okay, so there are 4 nozzles. Okay, 2 bigger ones which are directly attached, and these are 2 removable small mouth nozzles for smaller mouth balloons. Okay, so you can put these into here and here as well if the balloons are bigger or smaller, as and when required. Okay, so there is a catch between these 2 air blowers. Okay, one is a fixed one. Okay, this pink one is a fixed one, this is a movable one. Okay, this is working even if the switch is off. The movable one have a catch where you can control the blow of air based on the movement. Okay, here you cannot control the blow of air. Okay, even if the switch is off, electricity, it is connected to electricity, but this is off and you move it, you will still see the air is blowing based on your movement. Okay, the pressure and the flow of air is based on your movement out of this. I'll show you with electricity as well. Okay, this one is fixed, so once you on this, air will be blowing from both of them, but you can still control this one, you cannot control this one. So I feel this is the most used one, kind of, for me at least. I will show you with electricity. So yes, my electricity on, but now this is off. Okay, in this off also, if I move this nozzle, the air is coming. Okay, if I put it on, coming from both the nozzles. If it is off, you can still get this controlled air pressure. Okay, if it is on, then also you can control the air pressure, but this will be fixed air pressure, or the air flow I should say. Okay, okay, it is not moving, so I need to on. This is so faster than normal blowing air balloons from mouth or from that hand pump also. This is just for around, I think, 1000 rupees. I will add the link in the description.